Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be creating a really simple Halloween mani with one of my favorite gel polishes from Bling Galleria, and we're also going to use some vinyl nail stickers. But before we get into any of these beautiful colors and those stickers, we're going to do a layer of gel base on all the nails, and I am going to cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to do the rest of the nails off camera, but all the gel products that we are using today are from Bling Galleria, and they are HEMA free. Alright, so we're diving into the first layer here of this beautiful Aurora gel polish. It is everything. It almost has like this unicorn vibe to it. I love it so much. If you have not tried any of the Aurora gel polishes from Bling Galleria, you definitely need to grab one next time you are placing your order. There are a few different colors, and whatever color you choose, you cannot go wrong. So that first coat here, you can see it has like this pearlish effect to it. It's a very sheer coverage, but yet you still have like that packed punch of like color shifting and all that goodness that you would get with any kind of chrome effect nail. Now, using one coat over any dip color that you're using, kind of like to use it as a chrome, is also really fun. I've done that in a video before and I really liked how that turned out. So there's a lot of different ways you can use these gel polishes. You are going to see it today in like right now we're doing that one coat. You are going to see it today with 2 coats and even 3, so you can really see that like no matter how many coats you do, you're totally gonna get a different effect. So like that first coat we're doing, you're getting like this sheer pearly kind of effect, but when you do a second coat, it brings in and pulls in more of that purple, and then you also get more of like that Aurora effect, and then when the light hits it, it has like this most like gorgeous color shifty to it. But yet obviously when you're doing a second coat, it's gonna naturally build up that color, but it just even brings it to life even more with just that second coat. You can really see the difference here with 2 coats versus 1. Alright, so I did the rest of the 2 coats off camera. We're going in for that third dip here, and this is really when it kind of totally changes and becomes even better in my opinion for the look we're going for today. So here is 3 coats versus 2. So very diversible product. You can use it however you want, and no matter how many coats you're doing, it's gonna look amazing. So the rest of the 3 coats are done. We're gonna dive into these really fun vinyl stickers. These are ghost stickers, and you know what? I had a surprise at the end because I didn't know that these stickers also glow in the dark. So that was really fun, and the glow of these stickers was unreal, and the glow lasted a long time. I don't know if it's because like the glow is in the vinyl itself, if it's just more of like a powerful glow, but overall super amazing. Okay, so I put that little ghost on that nail there, and then I'm taking that silicone tool and just gently pressing down that ghost just to make sure that it is laying super flat, so that when we are sealing this in with gel top coat, that we do not have any gaps or anything like that. So I'm just taking my time here and just really making sure that that ghost is laying completely flat. So I am using the tweezers here, and originally I was using the tweezers to kind of get these eyes off, but I will say since these eyes are really tiny, it was really hard for me to get the eyes onto the ghost with the tweezers because this vinyl sticker really sticks well, and it was really sticking to that tweezer, so I ended up removing it and from the tweezer and just placing the eyes with my hand. But overall super fun. So I'm adding the eyes right now, but you could also add a mouth if you wanted to, but I did not. I really liked how simple it looked with just the eyes itself, but you totally could add a little mouth to it as well. But I thought these little ghosts were so fun, just an easy way to add a little bit of nail art to your nail. Plus there's something about this like Aurora background that we have with that gel polish that just made it overall just a very like fun purpley ghost kind of mani, and I totally love it. I feel like that Aurora effect just kind of tied in the Halloween spirit here. So now that we have the eyes on, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna take that silicone tool and gently press them down, and I'm gonna do the rest of the ghost off camera. But before we go ahead and do that, I'm gonna go ahead and seal it in with a layer of gel top coat. If you've ever experienced any flaking or peeling, definitely go ahead and do a layer of gel base first, cure for 30 seconds, then go in with a layer of gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds, but that's what works best for me. And here's the finished mani. I love how it turned out. Everything is just melting my heart right now because I love Aurora polishes, and there's just something about this purple, yet it still screams Halloween. And then we have these really simple ghosts on here that just kind of tied everything together, obviously to make it more Halloweeny, but overall I just love how it turned out. And these ghosts glow in the dark, so we kind of have best of both worlds here. But I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below. Don't forget that image that did pop up in today's video, that is the image you need for your entry form for the giveaway. And we have, I think we're on day 18 now, which is totally crazy. I can't believe we're already on day 18. It is going by super fast, and I hope you're enjoying the Halloween series. We've done a lot so far, and I wanted to change it up today and do something just a little bit more simpler today, just in case, decals aren't your thing or dip powders. I wanted to feature a little bit of a gel polish here for you, and this is one of my favorites, so I really hope you enjoyed it. So again, you can find everything that we used in today's mani in that description box below, and I'll see you all in the next spooky one.